To cite a scholarly journal article that was found online but not in a database, we will begin with the name of the author. The author's last name is presented. We then include a comma, after which we provide the author's first name. Finally, we end the author portion with a period. If the journal you are citing has two authors, its citation will look like this. Here, after the first author, we include a comma, the word and the last author's name. Please note that the second author's name is presented first and then last. If we have an article with three or more authors, it will be formatted like this. After the initial author and comma, we include the words et al., which means and others in Latin. Once we have provided our author information, we then proceed to the article title. Before we give the article title, we include opening quotation marks. We then provide the article title itself. Generally, we capitalize all nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs within this title. We then include a period and closing quotes. After providing the article title, we then give the journal information. The journal title is capitalized normally and given in italics. The journal title section is then concluded with a comma. The journal title is followed by the volume and issue number. You will include the lowercase letters VOL, followed by a period, and then give the volume number. Next, you will include the lowercase letters NO, followed by a period, and give the issue number. Commas separate the volume and issue number and end this section. The next portions of the citation are the year of publication and the page numbers of the article. After providing the year of publication and a comma, we then abbreviate page numbers with PP period. Then we give the all-inclusive page numbers where the article can be found. We end this section with a comma. Next, we provide the DOI, or Digital Object Identifier number. The DOI is a permanent link to the article. If a DOI is not given, we should provide a URL to the article, as is shown in this example. We then end this section with a period. Finally, we provide our access date. Type the word accessed, and then provide the day, month, and year that you accessed the article. If the month is more than 4 letters long, abbreviate it. We will then end the citation with a period. By providing this set of information in this order, we make it easy for a reader to find and validate the information that we are providing from scholarly sources.